I'm going to work. I soak my jacket every Wednesday, come on. My trousers and my helmets as well. Sometimes my jacket too, oh come on. Time. Alright, I have to walk on Wednesday outside. Oh, come on. I have to walk on Wednesday outside. I have to go to work by bicycle. I feel like every Wednesday it's raining every day. Yeah, I'm kind of rainy day, man. Everybody must get stoned. Whether there was stone you when you're walking on the street. But anyway, I've got a screwdriver to set up my pedal steel guitar. Right, so cheers. It's getting colder, so please take care of yourself.